Hello everyone, my name is Furkan Kahraman. I am an electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University. This is my EEE102 term project. It's self-controlled plane. Let's view it. Today's vehicles with autonomous features come to the fore in every field. That's why I designed an airplane for my digital project to autonomously balance itself in the air. In order to provide this feature, I connected the wing control to the servo motors on the F22 model that I made. The servos are controlled by data received from the gyro sensor via the basis tree board. In this way, there will be no need for constant control while the aircraft is moving on the straight road in the air. In case of any angle between In the case of any angle between the road of the aircraft and the elevator wings, the gyro will detect this change and reset the angle by making the necessary arrangements on the aircraft. I also added some stimulating tools for the pilot in addition to in this project. For example, if the plane goes with really high angle, the screen stimulate the pilot and it says that the plane is in the stall mode, or it goes to when the plane is tilted to the left elevator turns down and the right elevator turns up. When the plane is tilted to the right, the left elevator turns up and the right elevator turns down. If the inclination of the aircraft in the x-axis exceeds the threshold value, the VGA display indicates that the aircraft has entered stall mode by flashing a red light in the screen. Here you can see all the connections between basis tree board and modules.